State Report project for Google Classroom. How to use this resource. First, choose a state that you want to research. You must keep the same state for every slide. So you can choose Michigan, California, New York. Whatever state you choose, you will be researching that state on every slide. When you're ready, go to the first slide and start putting in information. So you'll put in some information about your state, some information here. Every page is a little bit different and you have to find different information. There is a resources page to do your research. Look to the left here. It is slide 3. Always you can come back to this slide and there are different resources that you can go to. I have another video that will show you more about this, but just know that you can always come back to slide 3 to click on these websites. There is an example page for every slide. So if you are on this slide and you want to know what does a teacher example look like, come up here, click here, and this is going to open a new slideshow. You can look at this to see what does a teacher example look like. I made an example with the state of Colorado. So you can look and see what every page should look like. Use this as an example to show you how much to write, what kinds of things you're putting in each box, and more. If you want even more help, there's a light bulb on every single page. You can click on the light bulb and it will take you to a video of me actually doing that page. And so you can see step by step what website I used, how I made the pictures the right size, and everything. So for example, if you are confused about how to do this page, you can look at the teacher example, but you can also just click on this little light bulb and it will actually take you to a video where you can learn about exactly how to do this slide. I'm not going to take us through this whole video. You can watch it on your own, but just know that every single slide has a light bulb, so you can watch that tutorial and see exactly how to do it. All right, what's next? If you accidentally delete a text box, just draw another one, and you do that by clicking on the box with the T in it, T for text. For example, if you are on this page and you are supposed to type here and there's no box, maybe you accidentally deleted it, what you're going to do is click on the T and just draw one. And then you can make it bigger later if you need to, if you want to make it the right size. So that's that tip. If you accidentally delete a box, just draw it again. Remember, you can also just ask Google if you don't know the answer to a question. So if I'm here and I need to know the state nickname, I can just go to Google and type in, what is the state nickname of Colorado? And usually that will work and help me get the information I need. Last but not least, you can insert photos straight from Google Slides by clicking on this image. Up here, it looks like a mountain, so I'm going to call it a landscape or a mountain a lot. And you can click here, search the web, and you can search for images and put them directly into your slideshow. That's a really, really great way to get images. So these are tips on how to use this resource. In my opinion, the most useful tips are clicking to see the example page and clicking on the video so that you can see a tutorial for every single slide. So please make sure you use those if you need them. I hope you have a great time doing this project and have fun.